join us, guys. Let's go into the cabin. 767. It's got the cargo door open and the engine is spinning. Spinning. There you go, boom. So we go in here and this is the main deck cargo. We make it make a left turn and we got the main deck, flight deck. You got the flight deck or the cockpit. Can't say that anymore. So we have these tags here. It says do not operate, because us, the engineers, are working on the airplanes and we have systems disconnected. See? So let's go back over. Oh, it's got a little bathroom right here and it's got a little mirror. See? Mirror says look at yourself in the mirror and make that change, because change starts with you. Boom. Okay. So now we're gonna come in here. See? And we gotta do an inspection. Where's Michael at now? Oh, Michael's over there already. Where's Michael at? So, inside the main deck cargo door. See? See? We got these boxes here with these brand new rollers. See? And Michael's over there doing NDT inspection, non-destructive inspection. Look at those rollers. These are all brand new. You can tell how shiny they are. See? And they go. So Michael's over here. They've taken this floorboard panel completely off, and they've taken the rollers and the guides off, and we're doing an inspection of this main structure right here. You shall see, right, Mike? You. So that line that you see right there is not a crack. That line is an alignment line when they installed the bracket in manufacture. See?
See, no cracks on it. It's just pencil markings.
Yeah. As you notice, there are no cracks indication. Those are just
pencil markings or sharpie markings.
Pencil markings. All right. So going into the hellhole. Oh, yeah. You guys think that we're in Epcot Center because this is the dome? No, this is the dome of hell. There's no fun games here. This is the real world. This is when life gets real and real quick. It's about 110 degrees in this place. Really, really hot. What do you have to say, Mike?
It's hot.
You over here, look, you over here next to you, you know what it looks like? A robot. You know what that is? Michael's gonna get jacked. Other he's jacked already, but look, this is a jack screw. You see? Yep, nice ass jack screw.
Whose feet are those?
Those are my feet. Over here, 100% concentration. Safety is number one. No matter what it takes, when, where, and how. We're here because of safety.
It looks tight in there.
Well, this is where tight is wrong. Usually tight is right, but this is tight is wrong here. I gotta go because I'm busy. See you guys in a little bit.
If you guys don't hear from us in a couple of days, just come up here to this hangar and we'll be inside of here, okay? If we get stuck.
But if you got this footage, which is most important because everything that happens here now these days in aviation goes straight to YouTube. But if you don't ever see us anymore, at least we got you some content. So what we got here is, see these bolts. So taking 4 out of the 8 out. So there's no misalignment. And we're doing an eddy current inspection, checking for cracks around the bolt holes. Oh. And as you can see, there are no cracks. See? could be my thumbnail right there. Boom. Reverse. Reverse right there. Never a boring day.
Where's Julio at?
What? Oh my God. Welcome to the hellhole, guys. We've been working here for the past 3 days. I don't think I have a back anymore. But look at this real quick. We're underneath the torque box of the horizontal stabilizer. Matter of fact, the horizontal stabilizer is that right there. So they've installed this contraption jack hydraulic system here, see, on both sides, so they can sustain the weight of the horizontal stabilizer. And they're going to be removing that pin there. Where's Michael at? Let's see. Oh shit. So Mike, where you at? They no place you'd rather be?
No, there's a lot of places I'd rather.
All the places in the world you'd rather be than being in here today. It's greasy and oily. And there's some signs of a hydraulic leaking right on my back. You know? Yeah, this is crazy. But anyways, just give you guys a little review. It's not, every day is not roses and petals. Sometimes you get the thorns too. You know? But I'd rather be fishing. So hopefully we can do that when we get out of this hellhole. Celebrate for us. Would you say, Mike?
Sooner than later.
Sooner than later, right?
Yeah, it's 100 degrees in here.
100 degrees in here. Check the calibration, guys. You see a vertical line? It's a showstopper. That means this is crap. Calibration.
If I get, we can take the jacks off.
Yes, sir. So here we go, doing the eddy current inspection of the pins for the horizontal stabilizer pivot points, left hand and right hand side. These pins, as you can see in Michael's hand, they're about 12 to 14 inches in length.
How do you know that?
There are no cracks. We'll be going fishing sooner than what we thought. You know, it's the same shirt that he was wearing the last video. Laundry's tough around him here these days. What's going on, guys? Yeah, what you see behind me is a GE CF680 C2 engine with a most likely a shiny, again, with a shiny spinner. That's a shiny spinner right there. All right, so then you're actually looking at us and we look like we're coming from fishing or we're going fishing. You gotta keep yourself in suspense. We are or we're not. But as you notice, we're gonna go fishing. Yes, right after this, and we're gonna go fishing, and we're not gonna go fishing for no swordfish this time. We're gonna go fishing for some nice kingfish, smoker kingfish, and I have a feeling we're gonna catch one, and we're gonna cook it up and show you guys, so you guys hang out with us throughout that episode 2, which is on the other side of this video. Also, thanks for your support in this channel.
100,000 subscribers.
100,000 subscribers. And we thank you, and we're very grateful that you are helping us share our videos around the world so that people can get actually into fishing and they can actually get into aviation as well. We need more good people like us out there. They are very responsible, and for them is safety number one. All jokes aside, we gotta go. Let me see what's Michael up to right now. What we're doing here is we're doing an ultrasonic inspection of the inner pins of the inboard flap. What we're doing here is we're doing an ultrasonic inspection of these flap track mechanism pins. And what Michael's doing right now, he's applying ultrasonic coupling like a doctor does to a woman to check to see how big or if the baby is male or female. So we're doing ultrasonic inspection of this pin. Goes all the way through here to see if there's any existing cracks. See? So he's put the probe, and the probe is connected to this cable, and this cable is connected to this machine. This is the back wall of the pin, and this front wall, and there's nothing in between. Anything in between would be a crack. And right now, we're looking like we're okay, but we just got a lot of pins. We gotta do this one, and we gotta do this one, and then we gotta do that one. And goes on and on and on and on and on and on. All right. Then we got this flat track to do, that flat track to do, and that flat track to do. Yeah. Boom. She's thirsty. She's got a drinking problem. But you gotta love her anyway.
You can't pay for the bill.
Yeah. She'll take, this is 7,000. We good? 7,000 gallons. We good? You're on YouTube. I said, she's got a drinking problem, but we gotta love her anyways. Yeah. That's your boy Justin right there. He's popular on YouTube. Exactly. This is what we got here today, guys. He's thirsty. This truck takes 7,000 gallons of fuel. Times 3 for this airplane's flight tomorrow for test flight. 21,000 gallons of fuel. She's got a drinking problem, all right? And you complaining about your truck? All right, wow. There you go. This is when size does matter. Boom. It's ready. No gas today. Nice fish, guys. Nice fish.
On the other side of the boat. I got my line. It's a nice fish.
Yeah, if it was anybody else's boat, it should be already tied up like everywhere. Nice fish.
Don't weigh it already, because you know how it works out. It's gonna be a 5-pound fish at the end of it. Kingfish. I don't know why it's not running like a king though.
Oh! Pick him up, Mike. Yes, nice as that kingfish. We're good. That's a good 18, 20 pounds right there. All day long, huh, Mike? Whoa, buddy. Yeah. Huh, Mike? Fat. This is what I'm talking about.
You didn't even hook him.
What you have to do with yourself. You got hooked in the eye? I got eyes on you, buddy.
They missed
That's
us
a
over
big ass
here.
king. I told you it was like a huge. Yeah. This is too fast, too soon. Whoa. Oh yeah, very nice. What's going on, guys? Exactly. It's that time of day. For the guava and cheese pastelitos and my signature cafe con leche. See? Pastelito has had better times because it's missing some scales. As you guys saw, we got like a 15 to 18 pound kingfish and it's been already 3 hours. So we're changing it up, but that's not the theme of the day. The theme of the day is actually, before I get into it, I want to show some appreciations and thank you guys for 100,000 subscribers. We really, really appreciate your support, and we appreciate that you guys like and share these videos so they can go around the world, and hopefully we could all make a difference, at least in one person. Today's theme is actually not the same. I knew Michael was gonna be like, because his buddy's got a TikTok or an Instagram channel, and it's not the same. We don't want to be living life the same as everybody else in this world. You know, we all have a fingerprint, and we're all we're not the same, but we're all equal. There you go. There you go. We're not the same at all, but we are equal. That's the theme of today, and then we're gonna go back to the marina, clean up this fish, and cook it up. All right, so stay tuned. Spring break, Miami, Florida, USA. Little barbecue here, little party going on. It's not the same, guys. It's not the same. YouTube channel right here. 100,000 subscribers. We're out. This is the proper way to clean a kingfish. 20 pounds on the scale.
He's fat.
Yeah, she's fatty.
Nice one.
Hopefully she has some roll.
How'd you catch him?
With some live pelchers. All day today for one fish, don't think. Like the one that she might probably have some eggs.
When that looks like a Bimini or Key West king. You know?
Yeah, right.
It doesn't look like a...
Yeah. And the only fish we got the whole day, so we got lucky. Then we got the other side. Let's start this over. Have it cook it up for us. This is my boy Aaron, and father of bass. All right, so all filleted up already and seasoned with my always seasoning fit. Oh yeah, adobo. We got some here to take home. Yeah. Okay. See. Nothing goes to waste, guys. Maybe over here a little bit better. So we have a family of tarpon here that feed on the scraps of our fish, and so do the birds. Again, the water I'm working on. It's a fight between the birds and the fish. Who will win? This is our catch of the day. One fish and one fish only. But we are here at the marina. My boy Alex right there, he's shy. But he's on YouTube right now, whether he likes it or not. And that's Michael. Catch of the day. So, this is what we got. And thank you for your support. 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Alright? Next time, you guys are invited, but this was a short notice, as usual. So, I'm glad you guys enjoyed the aviation part of this video with all those inspections we did. And since you're still here watching this video, I welcome you to the crew. One crew. Like, this fish is alive. It still wants to get back to the ocean. All right.